welcome back to Prodigy Virtual. It's me and Lily here.
What's up?
And we're gonna teach you guys a TikTok to savage.
Ooh, let's go.
Cause that's what we are.
So you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
Alright, here we go. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. You hit the whoa. 1, you clap. 2, you go 3, 4. Yeah, let's do it again. So we go 5, 6, 7. Okay. I mean, I guess. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. Clap. 1. Yeah. Okay, let me do a face in the back. Ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. Yes? Let's go on. So, you want to teach the next part, Lily?
Sure. So we just did right, left. Now we're going to bring our left hand up and go swoop and hit. And then we're going to do another hit, go hit and around to our right, and then do a wave all the way over.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay, so 5, 6, 7, from the beginning, I'm a savage. Sassy, moody, ratchet. Hit over, wave it around. Yeah!
Okay, face to back. Let's do it all together to the back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm a savage. 1, around, hit it, around and tick, tick, tick. 7, 8. I'm a savage. 1, around, hit it, around and tick, tick, tick. All right, let's keep going. So, we just did wavy and from here, you're gonna throw it back. So you go tick, tick, tick. You go whoa. Then you go acting. Yeah, so you know when you're locating, you're like, that's what you're doing now, yeah? So we just did wavy and whoa. You go acting. Yeah, let's face the back. So, we just did wavy and, you throw it back, whoa, you go acting stupid. Let's connect it from the top. Here we go.
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, I'm a savage. Boom, around, hit it, boom, tick, 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 go. Acting stupid. 5, 6, 7, I'm a savage. Boom, around, hit it, boom, tick, 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 go. Acting stupid. Yeah, you guys got that? Next part?
Yeah, let's do it. So we just did acting stupid. We're gonna go right, left, shimmy, forward. Then we're gonna go cross, down, up, down, and then we're gonna rock it to go I'm a savage.
Hey, and guess what? That's the end. Woo, woo, woo. All right, I'll face the back. We can do that part again. Here we go.
Okay, we just did acting stupid, what was happening? Whoa, shimmy, forward, cross, down, up, down, savage. Yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? Whoa, shimmy, forward, cross, down, up, down, savage. Yeah.
Yeah, let's connect it from the top. Here we go. Face the back. Let's just do it. Here we go. 5, 6, I'm a savage. Whoa, around. Hit, tick, tick, wavy and go. Acting stupid, what's happening? Shaky, shake, happening. Tick, 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 go. 5, 6, I'm a savage. Whoa, around. Hit, tick, tick, wavy and go. Acting stupid, what's happening? Shaky, shake, happening. Tick, 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 go. Hey, that is the end of this TikTok. We're gonna show it with music.
Let's do it.
My choice, you don't pay for the bag. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody,
tuning into Prodigy Virtual.
Make sure to record your guys' Savage Challenge.
And tag us on TikTok at Prodigy Dance and on Instagram at Prodigy Training Center LV.
See you guys later. Bye.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening?